The key fob for 2018-2021 Toyota Camry models uses a CR2032 battery. You'll need a new CR2032 battery, a small flathead screwdriver or plastic pry tool, and optionally, isopropyl alcohol for cleaning. First, locate the small slot on the back of the key fob. Gently pry open the cover using your tool. Remove the old battery, noting which side is up plus. Insert the new battery with the plus side facing up. Snap the cover back into place, ensuring it's aligned correctly for a secure fit. Test the fob to confirm it's working. Remember to recycle your old CR2032 battery. If the fob doesn't work after replacement, double-check the battery polarity. Make sure the positive side is facing up. Misalignment during reassembly can also cause issues. Ensure the cover is snapped on tightly to maintain a splash-resistant seal. Use a genuine or high-quality CR2032 battery to avoid corrosion and ensure longevity. Cheap batteries can lead to problems like this corrosion. While rechargeable CR2032 equivalents exist, Toyota doesn't officially recommend them due to potential compatibility issues. Experts say the DIY replacement is simple, rated 8/8/10 for ease, and can save you $50 to $100 compared to professional service. If problems persist, consider checking for software glitches via the Toyota app.